Entropy is something that follows the arrow of time. It's the dissipation of heat to the what is called end point is the heat death of absolute zero. Everything disappears. And that's what's going to happen to the universe one day. It'll disappear into a black hole. And that's called a singularity. That's the end of entropy. But aging is entropy also. The opposite of entropy is creative intelligence, and it is not linear. So you have to ask yourself, how does a human body think thoughts, play a piano, kill germs, remove toxins, and make a baby all at the same time? There's no logical way, linear way, that you can do all this. Your mind cannot multitask. It can only do one thing at a time. In fact, it never multitasks. That's a myth. When you do one thing, you think you're doing many things at the same time. You're switching from one to the other very rapidly, and actually, you're doing neither.